And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, welcome back to Poppy's Workshop. Get this out of the way before I break it or hurt myself with it. So, we're back here with the star of, there we are. Let's zoom out a little. Hey, as you see, I wonder. That looks better. Okay, this is the star of this video here. The main body of that 4-inch milling vise I got from Micromark to go on my shear line mill. Last video out here I drilled from this side in these 4 spots. I put the 1/4 inch, actually it was 2/1000 under 1/4 inch counter bores here for the shear line T-nuts. Then I had to go inside. Then I came out here and I wiped out a Chinesium 5/16 drill bit. This surface here is got a case. Not extremely hard, just hard enough that I had to sharpen that Chinesium 5/16 drill bit twice. Then I said, screw it. Now, this. Okay. I spent my own money to get this next here, the special guest star. Anyway, it's a Ultra Tool 520 5/16 is the size. Okay, 5/16 118 PT carbide stub drill, lot 2101287, and it's EDP number 52020. Solid carbide. You do not want to go back there, so still don't want to go there. Okay. I will be right back. Oh! Unless my left hip collapses out from underneath me. And, well, you'll hear me screaming when that happens. riser block. Hey, yeah. Okay, now that begs the question. Okay, now do I have a shear line key out on the... No, not really. And then 3, no key, and 4. No keys. Okay. Let's see. Before we fall down. Plastic. Oh, yeah. Okay, is there a shear line key in here? What's next? No. Okay. Shear line key. No. A couple of brand new shear line high precision keys. What are you? You're a tool bit. Okay. There we go. There, sit on my lap. Don't go no bloody where. And now, bring you around there, put you on here, and hold you good and tight. Now, that German condition, good and tight. I'm sorry if I offend anyone of Germanic heritage, but I mean, it's a little bit funny. Little, tiny bit. You have to admit that. Approximately there. My bronze wanger down here. No, it isn't. I could use that as a wanger. Can't hurt these. Oh, it gets worse. It can get much worse. Okay, now, since I already have this one started, Now, I do believe I have I do believe I picked up that previous I have to move it. Okay. Cutting nicely. Oh, about 50 thousandths more. That should suffice. Just below flush. Well, that's beautiful, beautiful finish on this hole here. Okay. Not enough. Just below flush. I love it. I really do love it. It being when things are going good. And now, in this lull in the machining, let me waffle a little bit here. I bought this vise for my shear line mill. It's over here and over there. Anyway, because I wanted a 4-inch vise for my shear line mill. Here's the steel plate it was mounted on. Nice piece of steel. I can make a couple, 3 things out of it. Okay. And then there's this, the main body. Of the vise. A little bit this way. That, I do believe, no. There. Wow, it's like the part is learning the drill. Oh, that's a sad one. Part is learning the drill. Are you deep enough? I don't think so, but I'm going to check it anyway. Don't want to go too deep. Just below flush. That brings me to what I was going to talk about. I talk about you can beat skill, but you can't beat luck. And so far, everything since back in the shop, 1, 2, 3, and what's inside a 3-jaw chuck that's 1, 2.5 hour long, or was it 3/4, 2.5 or 2 3/4 hour long video where I adapted a 80 millimeter 3-jaw chuck with pinion drive. You remember this? I adapted that to my shear line lathe. And believe me, it just barely, it just barely clears the bedways. Luck. A whole bunch of things I've done, upgrades here have been, luck has been on my side. Luck that this was all that, but a tiny bit of reality, this case hardened surface here, bit me in the butt the other night. Well, what can I say other than sometimes when skill isn't relevant and luck is a little bad, you gotta spend some money. Yeah, there. not sure if this one is deep enough though. Yeah, not quite deep enough. Can't lose them all, can you? I could believe that though would be deep enough. Okay, now I do believe I want to take my number 12 drill. Here we are. Next. Come here and paint the wrench company. Patented. Or is it patent pending? Yeah, I grunked it in good and tight because I didn't want it to slip. And being as how it's tungsten carbide, I knew I couldn't put 3 flats in the shank with this drill chuck. I can see where it hit the inner edge of the hardening of the case. Ah. Well, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run a 10-30 seconds clearance. There. I do believe that got it. Just to knock out that little burr. Lifted by shorter screw. Perfect. You heard that little just enough to break the little burr. That's all it needed. It could be skill, but you really cannot beat luck. Try that one out. This looks very dangerous. Doesn't it? There. Ta-da! Slide you where you're balanced more. Slide you up. There. Hey, all four just below flush. Excellent, excellent. Now to show you prime rationale for doing this, what I've just been doing. Got this one, and this one. Come on, come on, there. That's it. Do I have a Cupertino set? No. Let's pull these out of here. Pull these out of here. Hey, now. For standard shear line T-nut. Counterboard. 4. Standard shear line T-nut. Not that one. This one. Now, imagine the fixed jaws here. And I got a screw there into a T-nut. Let's see if I can demonstrate that a little more thoroughly, so that no one will misunderstand. Unfortunately, I gotta get this way out so that both of these, come on, out of there, you. I might think about polishing the T-nut hole there. Hey, I caught one. Caught them both in performance live. Do I have another one that long? No, not long enough. Okay. Ooh, those are the screws for my right angle gear drive. Can't use them. Anyway, I've only got one screw this length. I have to order 4 of them actually, because this is spoken for. But you see, I can get a good firm bolt down, and once it's trammed, or should I say adjusted to proper parallelism or perpendicularism, depending on if I want it parallel or perpendicular. She'll be back in just a minute after I come on, baby. Yeah, I think I may do a little lightweight polish on the screws that get used with this vise. The ones that are permanently assigned to them. Buy some. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some stuff. Oh, it all hurts. Oh, my left hip wants to collapse out from underneath me. Isn't that sweet? Loving of a body part to wanna just oh. Oh. Okay. Glasses. See these? The jaws. Here you are. I didn't get a chance to show you this in my June 7th video, as I dropped it on the floor and didn't notice it until yesterday in the evening. Hard enough to cut mildly cased hardened steel. That's better. Now, let's see which one. The Bear Hard Arkansas slip or this one? Eeny meeny. Not bad for $100 milling device, is it? And I do believe I put these tool marks in there because this was a virgin. Now, these tool marks weren't there before I started there, Marshall Dillon. I must have done them. Sorry. Thinking you can still bear it without coughing? No? Oh, well, that dead piece of crap, you know, he deserved to die, so. Now, this face is going to be a little bit different. It doesn't have the nice, finely ground finish, and it wasn't case hardened either. But I just want to knock off any burrs, anything sticking up here. That is pretty damn good. Now, which one do you use the 6? Wow. Picked it on the first guess. Isn't that good? That's either skill or luck. I don't care. Whatever works for me is good. I can go down. Now, this baby slides on like so. Come on. Relatively good fit. And I'm going to pause this because I got to go root around to find a couple things. With my luck, I put them away where they'd be safe till I wanted them. So, gang, why did I want this 4-inch vise? Why would I ever Well, I made a 4-inch vise. Maybe because I want to be able to hold bigger things. Okay. Now, that is that for this.